What if you were told that buying a new truck is a terrible financial decision? Many modern trucks rely on small turbocharged engines and complicated electronics that lead to frequent repair shop visits. For senior buyers looking to purchase one final vehicle to drive for the rest of their lives, mechanical simplicity and physical durability are what matter most. These 5 used trucks rely on proven, naturally aspirated engines and straightforward designs that avoid expensive component failures. Here are the 5 best durable trucks for senior drivers, starting with number 5. 2011 to 2014 Toyota Tundra. This full-size truck uses a massive 5.7-liter V8 engine built with a heavy-duty timing chain instead of a rubber belt. The mechanical components are over-engineered, allowing the engine and 6-speed automatic transmission to regularly pass 200,000 miles without major internal failures. The physical layout inside the cabin features large mechanical dash buttons and knobs that are easy to grip and turn without looking at a screen. The undercarriage relies on a massive rear axle assembly and heavy-duty leaf springs that support heavy cargo loads without sagging. Oil changes are straightforward because the oil filter housing and drain plug sit directly behind the front skid plate with easy physical clearance. The cooling system uses a large mechanical radiator fan that spins directly with the engine belt, which prevents the truck from overheating even during hot summer traffic. The brake calipers and rotors are larger than standard trucks, providing strong stopping power without putting heavy physical stress on the brake pedal. Number 4. 2013 to 2019 Nissan Frontier. This mid-size option relies on a simple 4-liter V6 engine paired with a standard 5-speed automatic transmission. It completely avoids modern computer-controlled turbochargers and complex fuel-saving engine shutdown systems. The ride height sits lower to the ground than modern full-size trucks, making it physically easier for drivers to step inside the cabin or lift items directly into the rear cargo bed. The exterior door handles use a thick, pull-style plastic design that allows an operator with low hand strength to open the doors easily. The steering system relies on a traditional hydraulic pump rather than modern electric steering motors, which gives the driver solid physical feedback from the road tires. Inside the engine bay, the spark plugs, alternator, and battery sit directly on top, allowing for quick mechanical inspections without removing large plastic covers. The frame uses fully boxed steel rails from front to back, preventing body twist and keeping the cabin completely stable on rough dirt roads. Number 3. 2006 to 2014 Honda Ridgeline. This vehicle uses a steel unibody frame layout shared with large crossovers, completely eliminating the stiff, bouncing ride quality of traditional heavy trucks. The independent rear coil suspension absorbs road impacts smoothly, reducing lower back strain for older drivers during long trips. The 3.5-liter V6 engine is highly durable, but requires a routine mechanical timing belt replacement every 100,000 miles. The rear cargo area includes a hidden, lockable trunk compartment built directly into the bed floor, allowing valuable tools to stay secure and out of sight without installing an expensive aftermarket bed cover. The tailgate features a dual-action hinge design that swings outward like a door or drops downward like a standard truck bed, reducing the physical distance a driver has to reach to load groceries. Number 2. 2012 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma. The second-generation midsize Tacoma is widely recognized for basic mechanical longevity. Models utilizing the iron block 2.7-liter 4-cylinder engine lack heavy towing capacity, but suffer almost zero catastrophic internal failures over decades of use. The small physical dimensions of the exterior frame make this truck incredibly easy to park in standard garages and navigate through tight city traffic spots. The composite cargo bed material completely resists rust and dents without needing a separate spray-in protective liner. The electrical system utilizes simple glass fuses located in a single black box under the hood, making electrical troubleshooting fast and simple. The manual adjustment levers for the front seats are purely mechanical, avoiding electric motors that get stuck or break down over time. The manual dial controls for the fan speed and temperature use large notches that click firmly into place, providing clear tactile confirmation for the operator. The steel frame underneath is designed with a straightforward layout that leaves plenty of open space around the exhaust pipes and fuel lines. This open spacing means road dirt and salt do not get trapped in hidden corners, making underbody washing simple and protecting the metal from premature decay. The engine uses a heavy-duty mechanical timing chain that stays synchronized for the entire life of the vehicle, which eliminates the need to pay for a costly rubber belt replacement every few years. The intake manifold sits high up on the engine block, keeping the air induction system completely clear of dust, water, and road debris during wet weather driving. The cabin doors feature strong mechanical checks that hold the doors firmly in place when opened wide, preventing them from swinging back and hitting the driver during entry or exit. The instrument cluster uses large, high-contrast analog needles and white numbering on a dark background, allowing the driver to read the road speed and engine temperature in a second without eye strain. The windshield wiper system utilizes a basic, heavy-duty mechanical linkage that handles heavy snow and ice buildup without stripping the motor gears. The underhood layout leaves several inches of open space around the battery terminal clamps and fluid reservoirs, meaning routine fluid checks take less than a minute and require zero special tools. Number 1. 1998 to 2011 Ford Ranger. This compact truck represents the absolute peak of cheap, no-frills mechanical simplicity. It features a basic dashboard, standard manual dials, and a completely flat floor layout. Replacement parts like alternators, water pumps, and brake rotors are highly available at auto parts stores for very low prices. The low step-in cabin height and lack of complex touchscreen menus make it the most practical, lifetime workhorse for a senior operator. The front suspension utilizes simple greasable ball joints and tie rod ends that are cheap to service and replace when worn. The manual side mirrors adjust by physically pushing the glass with a hand, eliminating electric wiring and switch failures entirely. The fuel system relies on a single mechanical fuel pump located inside the gas tank that operates reliably for decades without dropping fuel pressure. The low hood line and thin roof pillars provide massive physical visibility in all four directions, making lane changes simple and safe without relying on electronic blind spot sensors.